Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm gonna show you how to edit on your phone with using Adobe Premiere Pro mobile app. Yes, totally free. You can edit for YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels and also TikTok. Let's jump in. I'll walk through how it works step by step. Once you open the app, hit the plus button to start a new project. You can pick videos or photos from your phone gallery in the order you want. Easy. If you use the front camera and things look flipped like words or backward, don't worry, just select the clip, swap the tools at the bottom and tap the flip edge to fix it. Now let's clean up the video. You can zoom into the timeline with the two fingers to cut, move the playhead where you want, tap split, then delete part you don't need. You can also trim clips by dragging the edge in or out, and if you want to move clip by clip, use the arrow at the bottom, super handy. Go through and make your rough cut. Just keep the good stuff. You want to add extra clips or photos on the top. Tap the timeline and add more media from your gallery. These will go into the main timeline. Drag them up to layer them as B-roll, resize or move them around however you like. Quick, clean and creative. Let's make it smoother. If there is a gap between clips, tap on the letterbox between them. You'll see some bleeding transition like a crossfade, warp or wire wipe. Pick one, set the duration and done. Got the background noise? You can fix that. Tap your video script, swipe to enhance speech and turn it on. It will clean up the background and boost your voice. Play with the slider until it sounds right for you. If you have lot of clips, you'll have to do this one by one. Hopefully, Adobe change that soon. Want background music? Tap the empty space, then go to the music audio. You can choose from phrase, soundtracks, organized by mood or genre. Tap one you like, hit plus, and it gets added to your timeline. Adjust the volume so your voice still stands out. You can also fade the music in or out. Just choose how many seconds for each. Captions are super important, especially for social media. Tap empty space, go to titles caption, hit C. It will auto-generate captions from your speech in seconds. You can edit any word if it makes a mistake. You can also customize the style, pick a font, background color, and layout. Only thing missing, you can choose one line with two lines pre-captioned. Hopefully, they added that soon. Once you're done, tap the export icon. You can choose your resolution and quality. Always go for high if you want the best look. You can either save it to your phone or send it to Premiere on a desktop if you want to do more advanced edits later. And that's it. A full video edited on your phone. Fast, easy and free. This app is perfect for short form content like Reels, Shorts or TikToks. You can edit where you are on the couch or even on a plane. If this helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe to Cut Motion for more mobile editing tips. And if you want to explore other free editing apps, click the video right here. Keep creating and see you next time.